Heptabase versus Noteey Visual Notes apps. Choosing the right Visual Notes app can transform how you organize ideas without losing clarity. Both Heptabase and Noteey offer unique ways to capture and connect your thoughts visually. Heptabase and Noteey are powerful visual notes apps designed to boost creativity and productivity. The core difference lies in Heptabase's emphasis on spatial note mapping versus Noteey's focus on structured hierarchical note organization with visual enhancements. Heptabase is a visual note-taking platform centered around spatial thinking. It allows users to create notes as cards on an infinite canvas, connecting ideas freely with lines and clusters. This approach mimics mind mapping, but with more flexibility and depth. Users can easily drag and arrange notes, enabling a personalized knowledge map. The interface supports Markdown, tags, and backlinks, enhancing discoverability within your notes. Heptabase excels in helping users see relationships between concepts visually, making it ideal for brainstorming, research, and project planning. However, its open canvas can be overwhelming for those who prefer linear or list-based note structures. The learning curve is moderate, requiring users to adapt to a more spatial way of organizing information. Heptabase suits creative professionals, researchers, and anyone who benefits from visualizing complex ideas and connections in a non-linear fashion. Noteey is a visual notes app that blends hierarchical note organization with visual elements. It structures notes in folders and subfolders, allowing users to maintain a clear outline while adding images, links, and tags to enrich content. Noteey's strength lies in balancing traditional note-taking with visual context, supporting Markdown and rich media embedding. Unlike Heptabase, Noteey focuses on clarity and order, making it easier to manage large volumes of notes systematically. This approach suits users who prefer structured workflows and need quick access to organized information. Limitations include less flexibility for freeform spatial mapping, which may restrict users wanting to explore ideas non-linearly. Noteey is ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who values a clean, hierarchical system with visual support for study, documentation, or task management. Heptabase and Noteey offer distinct approaches to visual note-taking. Heptabase's freeform canvas promotes creative exploration and complex idea mapping, perfect for projects needing flexible connections. In contrast, Noteey's hierarchical structure provides order and quick retrieval, suited for systematic study or work notes. Heptabase's strength is spatial freedom but can feel chaotic for users who prefer structure. Noteey offers clarity and organization but limits freeform creativity. For example, a researcher mapping a complex topic may benefit from Heptabase's visual clusters, while a student organizing lecture notes might prefer Noteey's folder system. Both support Markdown and multimedia, but choosing depends on whether you prioritize creative flexibility or structured clarity. Choose Heptabase if you need a flexible spatial tool for brainstorming and connecting complex ideas visually without being confined by linear structures. Noteey is best for those who want a clean, hierarchical note system enhanced with visual elements for efficient organization and retrieval. Both apps excel in their niches, so pick the one that matches your workflow and note-taking style for maximum productivity.